Hey guys, I wanted to touch on the importance of community. This morning I was reconnected in such a special way with the Lord and with people that I've known for a really long time, just by walking out of my house, literally walking, and going up the street to a local church. I happen to be staying in an Airbnb that backs up to a it's not a chapel, it's an actual church. And I just decided to walk there this morning. A good friend of mine is the worship leader, and a couple other people in the church are old friends of mine. And I just really wanted to remember some of the times that I used to have, some of the good times. You know, I think that this is not another video on 2020. This is just a video in general of how things can get away from you and life can kind of come in and pretend like it's the boss, and all of the little things that you've got going on, the busyness of it, and even just like experiences. Hold on, I dropped my coffee sleeve thing. Just don't go in the water. Okay, I got it. Oh yeah, and by the way, you definitely probably want to see this view, huh? Check it out. The house that I'm staying at is literally just up the road that way, maybe a block, and the church is another block. So we're basically neighbors. But this view, this feeling, like, it's like a feeling of freedom for the first time in a long time. Like, I can really breathe because I'm in Florida, and you know, everybody's walking around and almost like it is the old times. But really it's because I visited with the Lord. I drew near to him and he drew near to me. And that's really what I want to talk about, is just the importance of getting back to that place where he can talk to you. Like, he can remind you of who he created you to be, like who you truly are. I'm gonna face this way so you guys can see the view. There you go. But I feel so different this morning than I normally feel. Like, positive and healthy, and my mind is in the right place in a long time. There's just been a lot of stuff, and I'm not the only one, but that has presented itself in my life. I have things that I've gone through that they tend to want to change you. But there's one thing that remains the same. There's one person that is always true, and that never changes. And it's the Lord Jesus. And when you go to him, he's the same yesterday, today, tomorrow, forever. And you get to experience that love that refreshes you and that brings you back. So I hope that this was encouraging to you, and I will give you one last view of this beautiful place. Be blessed. Bye.